Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your mobile number in Outlook. So let's jump straight in. So first of all, you need to jump into outlook.live.com and you need to sign into your account. This is not possible on the desktop app. You need to log into the website. So on the top right hand side, you will find your profile picture or the first letter of your first name and your second name. You're going to tap on My Microsoft Account, and once you are here, you're going to select the account you would like to work with. So we're going to select this one over here, and depending on your personal settings, you may have to verify that it's you. You may have to sign in. If you use the Microsoft Authenticator app, you might have to verify via the app. So once you have done so, you will get into this section here. On the left hand side, we're going to tap on the Your Info tab, which is second from the top. Once we are in the Your Info tab, we are going to scroll down a little bit, and over here you can see your profile info, account info, and over here you can see it says phone number, and currently we have no phone number. So what we're going to do on the top right hand side is tap on Edit Account Info. Again, depending on what your account info security details have been set up like, you may have to verify or sign in. Once you're here, you can clearly see you can add a phone number. So once you tap on that, you can just select your country's dialing code, you can add the number, and you can tap on next over here, and you will have now successfully added a cell phone number to your Microsoft account. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. See you next time. Cheers.